How to sleep better. Knowing how to sleep better is paramount to falling asleep. Most persons do not know how to sleep better, and that's why they end up tossing and turning at night, and after a long battle, they manage to fall asleep and do not sleep well. Being unable to fall asleep naturally can be frustrating. Then, the next thing that comes to your mind is trying self-inducing medication, which in any way do not guarantee long-term success. So in this video, I will be showing you how to sleep better than before. So make sure you stay till the end. If you are new to my channel, ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because we post daily videos like this, so that when we publish videos, you get notified instantly. So let's jump in. 1. Right sleeping positioning. Do you sleep from the back, stomach, or side? What sleeping position do you prefer and which is the best? It all depends on that which you are comfortable with. Unique positioning plays a vital role. You need to find that which works for you best. If sleeping from the side brings you comfort, please do, rather than changing positions frequently. 2. Consistent sleeping pattern. Going to bed at different times every night is common for most people. Going to bed at a regular schedule helps to improve your sleep, as it helps your body to follow a unique rhythm. It also helps the body to determine when to sleep and when to be awake. Sleep-wake cycle. For example, if I go to bed by 9 p.m., I would wake up by 5 a.m. However, if I go to bed by 7 p.m., I would end up been awake by 3 a.m., and trying to complete the remaining 2 hours of sleep becomes a bit difficult, as I only stay awake till 5 a.m. So find your right schedule and also make sure you get the right amount of sleep, which is 8 hours. 3. Taking a bath or shower. Taking a bath or shower after the day's stress or before going to bed is beneficial as it soothes the body. This helps to lower the body temperature, which would also help accelerate your sleep. 4. Lower the room temperature. Your room temperature would invariably affect your body's core temperature. If your room is too hot or too cold, you might find difficulty in falling asleep. Using air conditioner could be of great help, as this helps to lower the temperature. 5. Turn the lights off. Light can influence your sleep. Keeping the room dark is necessary. This helps your body differentiates between night and day. 6. Avoid napping. Naps during daytime can disrupt your night sleep, especially those close to the evening, and if you have a hard time falling asleep at night, then napping could worsen it. 7. Exercise and meditate. If you are fatigued or stressed out after engaging in much activity during the day, you might likely find it difficult falling asleep. So engage in moderate exercise. This helps to give off stress from the body. Meditation can enhance melatonin levels, which would in turn better your sleep. 8. Make sure your bed is comfortable. Using the right mattress is essential for your sleep. A firm, straight mattress would certainly improve your sleep rather than a bent one. If you often wake up with a sore back or an aching neck, it might likely result from your mattress. Through bad sleeping posture can be responsible for that too. 9. Turn off electronic gadgets. Electronic gadgets like mobile phone, TV, etc. can be disturbing while trying to fall asleep, especially if it is beside you. As notification or alerts buzz in, and usually tempting, you might experience a poor sleep. Also endeavor to reduce noise, as this deprives you of a good sleep. 10. Watch your supper. Dinner. What you eat before going to bed may likely affect your sleep. For example, if you consume a large meal less than an hour before going to bed, it might take toll on your sleep, owing to the fact that the body is undergoing digestion at that time. 11. Avoid caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant, which increases alertness and sets you awake, so, if you take caffeine, surely, you might struggle to fall asleep. Avoid consuming caffeine in the evenings, if at all you must do. 12. Read a boring book. Reading a boring book might increase your chances of falling asleep. First of all, it isn't captivating, and so the whole mind isn't concentrated on reading that book at that moment. If you, however, read that book for 30 minutes, you might likely fall asleep. Do not read a charming novel instead, because it becomes engaging, it catches your mind, thereby leaving you awake. 13. Avoid looking at the clock. This is the last tip, so like I said, avoid looking at the clock. Just imagine, you woke up early in the morning, and you check the time 3 a.m., you would likely be reluctant falling back asleep. Finding it difficult falling asleep is common to people of all ages. This arises from different factors which affects the body's response to sleep better. Good sleep affects your mental and physical health positively, while poor sleep results in poor functionality on your next day. People who find it difficult falling asleep ends up tossing and turning at night, and sometimes the more they try to fall asleep, the more likely they stay awake. If you have insomnia, you can try this techniques. I hope this tips I have shown you would help you fall asleep fast. Once again, if you are new to my channel, ensure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so that when we publish videos, you get it first. Also, don't forget to give this video thumbs up and like. See you in the next video.